What's up, guys? I can't believe we're about to make the most incredible tacos you've ever tasted in your life. We're talking carne asada, chicken tinga, and even a mind-blowing cauliflower taco for all you veggie lovers out there. So let's do this. Alright, let's start with the carne asada. We're taking this flank steak and giving it a flavor bath that'll make your taste buds dance. Lime juice, zest, garlic, cumin, oregano. Boom, boom! Marinate that bad boy for at least an hour. While that's happening, let's get crazy with our chicken tinga. We're talking chicken thighs, chipotle peppers, tomatoes, onion, and garlic. Cook it down, shred it up, and prepare for a flavor explosion in your mouth. But wait, there's more. For our veggie friends, we're roasting cauliflower with olive oil, cumin, smoked paprika, and chili powder until it's crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Check this out. Each of these fillings has its own unique flavor profile. The carne asada is all about that char-grilled, limey goodness. The chicken tinga, it's smoky, it's spicy, it's everything nicey. And don't sleep on that cauliflower. It's gonna surprise you with how meaty and satisfying it is. Now, let's talk tortillas. You could use flour, but corn? That's where it's at for authentic Mexican vibes. Warm them up on a dry skillet or directly over the flame if you're feeling adventurous. Once they're warm and pliable, it's time for the main event, assembly. Here's where you can get creative. Start with your protein or our sexy cauliflower. Then let's talk toppings. Diced white onion for crunch, chopped cilantro for freshness, squeeze some lime over the top for that citrus punch, sliced avocado. Yes please. And don't forget the salsa. Whether you're Team Verde or Team Roja, load it up. And there you have it, folks. 3 incredible taco recipes that'll make you the hero of your next dinner party. Don't forget to experiment with different combinations. The taco world is your tortilla. Alright, that's it for today. If you liked this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more deliciousness, and let me know in the comments which taco you're trying first. Until next time, keep cooking, and Papa Kiss.